So welcome to this tutorial on how to access Blackboard specifically for the UNIX class. You go to stcc.blackboard.com and log in with your user credentials. Over here you'll see a course list. Navigate down where it says UNIX 1. On this example it says Fall 2018, but keep in mind the semester could be different. You click here and welcome. You always land on Start Here, Course Beginning, and then you will see the syllabus, a welcome message, and some information. What I'd like to draw your attention to is weekly course documents. That is where you will see the postings of things I would like you to see. Weekly chapter questions is where you would do the chapter questions that are due each week. Labs is where you will see the labs that are due for the week, as well as chapter quizzes. I would do it in this order: weekly chapter questions, weekly labs, and weekly chapter quizzes. You can also come back to Start Here, and you can learn about the syllabus in case you have any questions.